Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 24th lecture of Marketing Management. And today we are going to start your new unit, that is your unit 4. And this unit we will discuss about the distribution channels. So let's think about one question. How do we get our products to the customer? We all know that the manufacturers are the one side who make the products or who develop the product or who manufacture the product, and ultimate customers they use those products. So who are there in between who provide the manufacturer product to the ultimate customer? Okay, so distribution channel, when we are saying, it is a chain of business or intermediaries through which a good or services passes until it reaches to the final buyers or to the end customers. Okay, distribution channels, it could include the wholesalers, it may include retailers, distributors, or sometimes may internet also. Like nowadays, you might have seen that a lot of customers they are doing online shopping. So what is the mode in between? The mode or the intermediary is the internet through which we are buying the goods. Okay, so this is this distribution channel. It is a set of independent organizations which we can say intermediaries also. Okay, and they involved in the process of making a product or services available to the end customers. And selecting channel is very important decision for the management, and it will directly affect your other marketing decisions also. And we can say that distribution channel is a part of downstreaming process because the product is ultimately from manufacturer to the end customer. So it is called downstreaming. Okay, so it is all about the downstreaming of your products from manufacturer to the end customers. Now let's see why the marketing intermediaries are of use. Okay, why companies they need marketing intermediaries? So you might have seen that it is impossible or very difficult for manufacturer to reach each and every geographical area. So they need someone who can supply or who can distribute their products from their part, and they can own the risk also. They can give some kind of fundings also to the manufacturer. Okay, or they can do some kind of administrative work also. We will see when we will discuss the channel properties of channel partners. So for efficiency in marketing goods available to the target markets, to reach each and every geographical area, manufacturers need intermediaries. So like what they get from intermediaries, the manufacturer they get from intermediaries, they get contacts. Okay, their experience, their specialization, because they are actually working in different geographical area. They understand the customers who are there, they understand their requirement, their buying behavior. Okay, so manufacturers get benefit from all these benefits from the intermediary. And intermediaries, they match supply with the demand. They tell that how much is the demand coming from the market to the manufacturers, and accordingly manufacturers produce the goods. So they are the actual predictor of your demand. Let's say what are the functions of channel partners. So they bear the risk, obviously, when you are supplying the goods from manufacturer. Once it is coming out from the manufacturer good and reaching to the wholesaler or distributors, so they are owning that product. So they are taking the risk of owning that product. Okay, financing they are doing, okay, physical distribution, further distribution they are doing, they are distributing to the retailers, okay, and negotiation they are doing, and they are matching the demand, which area requires or which geographical area they need to supply more product. Their contacts are there, promotion they are doing, and information they are sharing from the with the manufacturers. In more detail, let's discuss what are the functions of distribution channel. So they provide time, place, and ownership utility, okay? And they make the product available when, where, and in which quantity the customer want. Another function is logistic and physical distribution. So they further marketing channels are responsible for assembling, sorting, okay, and transportation of the good from manufacturer to the customers, okay. Further distribution is also there. Facilitation, they provide the facilitations and pre-sale or post-sale activities like financing, maintenance, information dissemination, and channel coordination. So all these are the properties or the function of distribution channels. Next is creating efficiency. So bulk breaking, because customers for their own, they will not buy in bulk. So the wholesalers, they will buy in bulk from the manufacturers, and they will break that bulk. It means they will further supply the product in small quantity to the retailers, and they do assortments also. And wholesalers and retailers purchase large quantities of good from manufacturers, and further they will sell the small quantity to other channels or to the customers. Risks they share, obviously, okay. When they are owning the product, the risk is there, might be the product may get damaged, or may some kind of loss is there, or some other natural calamities are there. So they are sharing the risk also. Marketing also they are doing, distribution channels through their own resources, they do marketing, okay, of the product. Next is your channel strategy. This thing already we have discussed in previous lecture. Once again, we will discuss. So there are two, basically there are two strategies, push strategy and pull strategy. Okay. So when we are saying about push strategy, so here the manufacturer is supplying the product to the customer, okay, and customer, what is that? Customer is buying the product through wholesaler and retailers. Second strategy is your pull strategy, where the customer is asking for some product and manufacturer then supplying that product, okay. So in first kind of strategy, when we are saying push strategy, a lot of personal selling is required, and manufacturer need to do a lot of work through their salesmen, or maybe through some kind of offers and all, and they try to sell the product to the customers. And pull strategy, a lot of advertisement expenditure is required for that. A manufacturer, they want to create the demand for the product, and then customer ask for the product, and manufacturer supplies those products. So a push strategy is one in which manufacturer convince wholesaler or distributor or retailer to sell its product, and consumers are informed via advertisement or other promotion that product is available for sale. And when pull strategy, we are saying the pull strategy focus on creating demand for the product among customer, so that businesses agree to sell the product. So these are the two strategies we have discussed. So this is all for today's lecture. We discussed what is distribution channel, what are the importance of distribution channels, what are the roles different channel partners plays, and channel strategies, pull strategy and push strategy we have discussed. I hope you understood the concept. If you have some queries, you can call me, or you can catch me on your WhatsApp group. I will solve your query there. Thank you so much for watching today's lecture.